Berapa saya tahu mereka?
Okay. I don't know. You finish trying it and you finish. I'll give you again. You finish. Sorry. You can eat it. Don't worry. I can give some more.
Reaction. Reaction.
Very tasty. Try it and see. I do my own special seasoning, but they don't know, so they don't know what they are missing, you know. Yeah.
This is very spicy and very tasty.
Kofi.
Cool. Borean है करके.
Tasty. Today, at Goa Day, we have someone here who, if you feel, come and have this thing, try and test and eat and taste. A wonderful man called Kofi. His name is Kofi, Chef Kofi. Chef Kofi. Yeah. He is a chef and he is doing it here. As you can see, this is something that is my favorite as well. And so I tasted it and it was really tasty. It's not completely compared to our Goan food. It is similar to our Goan food and the taste is same. Pungent, spicy, everything. Now, since the people have not come down as yet for the Goa Day, we will have some time. I'm sure once people come here, that they will be having such a time here eating this. See this. Yes, what wonderful taste. So, chef, we do our own seasoning. We make our own seasoning and everything. Yeah, it's there's no artificial seasoning.
Give us your Instagram and your. Give us your Instagram. Like say.
Zitted Foods, ZITEQ, then Foods. Zitted Foods. That's my Instagram page. Yeah. How long have you been in this field, chef? This food industry, I've been in it for a long time, but professionally, I've been in it for for the past almost about 5 years. Yeah. But for the Goa Day, you've been for the first time. This is my first Goan experience. Yeah. This is my first Goan experience. Yeah. Apart from that, now how do you feel about the people of Goa? Well, I'm here to know them. Oh, yeah. I'm here for the first time. I'm seeing them. So people have not come as yet because people have not reached as yet. The buses are on the way. It's all that is we have heard. Yeah. So we are just waiting to see how everything unfolds and how everything goes. So chef. Okay. So chef will be up on the YouTube and he will see himself. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Battery change. We have to change the battery. Yeah.